how will you find, how will you build yourself? Do you follow my comment? Yeah. Sometimes, if you look, when we do the data analytics, we have to consider not only to solve some problem easily, but we also have to consider one thing. I spent so much money and time and manpower to collect almost 9,000 cases. But finally, I can use the database, which is only 75% valuable I can use. So I waste my money to collect data. What I can do the next time, I should have to find someone more reliable, more trustable to help me to collect the data, right? Because each case is money. So we can consider, okay, this fine. Okay, I learned from sharing how I can help myself to check if my data really have a good data or not. And I can not only consider, okay, but I consider this data I can use. Because when you do the deletion, each case is money. Right? And of course, okay, I don't want to do deletion. Okay, put myself another way. Okay, follow Professor he mentioned, I can use some replacement. It's meaningful value. Right? But the next question is, how can you define the meaningful value? You use mean, I use median. You use mode, you use other benchmark the value. Which one is better? No. Okay. So that's really another important question about this. Right? But I would like to show you. So that's why people they always say check your data file, do some meaningful cleansing job is the better step to do a statistical test data. So I would like to follow this view. So let me know if you all open this data file. Okay, you can practice by yourself. Do what? To do the value step check and do some missing data. So you will find yourself, for example, let me show you. The annual income it means the first digit available is the answer you are in the family of the annual income. How much you earn for the family. Right here, there's no straight result. All the data are reasonable. And the second is also no problem. That is 101. Okay. So in this data file, the original data owner they use the 101, the number, to identify the missing data. So you already learned from me here. This is the 101. That's okay, and you can move to next. You can move to next. Don't worry about that. You can do a final check after you finish all the checking. Just like you do in Excel. I will mark to cell right here, move to the right, another column. Right here. Put it down. Finishing them over. Okay. Sometimes it's a good way you can do it. The condition is you already learn some information. The data owner already marked as the particular value and the unique value 101 for the data missing. But if you do not get that kind of information, what will you do? Follow step by step. There will be 100% for sure to help you to do the good thing and the correct thing of manipulating the missing data. The background is from California, the Bay Area. Is there anyone ever been to California? United States? Okay, Professor. And have you ever been to Bay Area? Yes.
湾区，
湾区
湾区。
In Chinese, we call it 湾区 Bay Area. Bay Area is a low area close to the ocean. Yeah. But the difference is, the interesting people here is on the north of the Bay Area. There are million people. I mean, the million people not population number. They are million. Rich movie stars, the professional sport games player right here, the rich guy, pretty rich guy right here. And in the south end of the area, but they are poor people. So there's quite people. They say the area is pretty strange.